Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your midday Wilkins Ag Wire report. We're mixed at the midday markets right now. You've got corn and wheat, which are slightly lower, while beans are slightly higher on the day. One of the main things we're keeping our eye on right now is the weather forecast out in the plains. Kansas has got some pretty dismal crop ratings out there. Their good to excellent ratings on their wheat crop is around 41%, I believe. So they've got some rain forecasted for next week, and it's supposed to be some pretty heavy rains, which should be beneficial, but we're waiting to see if those rains actually materialize, and also waiting to see if it actually can get the crop back up to a more manageable level. A lot of the people we're hearing from are saying it's the worst they've seen in their lifetime. So we'll have to see how that pans out. You know, here in 30 years, however long, they haven't seen anything like this. So we'll have to see how much of his actual winter kill and if anything can be revitalized through some rains out in Kansas. So it's a little surprising to see wheat lower here recently. We have had a decent run in it within the last 8 trading sessions or so, but it is kind of surprising to see it a little lower today. We'll have to see if it can get a kick in the pants if the forecasts change. Another thing we're looking at this morning is China buying Ukraine corn, even though it's more expensive than corn here in the United States. So the main reason on that is GMO concerns. If you've been following the Wilkins Ag Wire for a while, you'll know that last year there was a Syngenta strain, GMO strain, which is the MIR 162 strain, that was not approved for import into China. Some containers ended up being shipped over with it. They got held up at the port. So the thought is that importers are worried that there could still be some of that issue going on, and they don't want to get their ships and containers into their port and not be able to actually import that corn due to the issue. So paying a little bit of a premium for Ukraine corn right now, so that's likely why we're seeing corn lower on the day, and then beans are just getting a decent little bounce here. No real news out on beans right now, but just kind of getting the bounce because, I guess. But moving forward, all eyes are really on the stocks and seedings report on the 31st. We'll start getting some private estimates on those. As those come out, we'll let you know what they are. But other than that, that's all we've got for today. So have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels trading broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Trading, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielstrading.com. Daniels Trading is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Trading does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.